In today's market, if you're looking for a property that is centrally located in a gated community, Uptown, 2-bedroom specifically, you're looking at over $40 million. Can take you all the way up to 60 or even more. I know, I've sold that. So today, I'm going to take you on this journey to show you this lovely fixer-upper apartment in a gated community, centrally located Uptown, for under $25 million. And all it needs is a little TLC. Come with me. So let's go inside and take a look at this amazing apartment. Pardon the light, there's no light here, so I've fixed some lights so we can actually get a better look, a clearer look at what I'm going to be talking about today. As I've said, in this lovely apartment here, I'm not gonna, bull you. It needs a little tender love and care, If you look at the walls, in today's industry, we use the half white, the light gray and all of that. Just think about you coming in, changing the paint on the wall, maybe change the ceiling, design, a little touch here and there, put your personal spin on it and make it yours. So with that said, with this apartment at $24,950,000, and you say, okay, then you know what, I'm gonna come in with the right mindset. I'm gonna come in and put an extra $1 or $2 million on it and make it yours. Now, what do you think? Tell me, really tell me. Just envision this apartment with an extra $1 or $2 million in it. What do you think it would look like? I'm sure it wouldn't look anything like this. I guarantee you that. Number one, in any property, once you put some fresh paint on it, that's automatically lift right there. Now we're gonna enter the kitchen. In the kitchen here, this sink, personally, I would change the sink. I would put something more updated here. The tiling is nice, can always clean it down and it looks nice. But personally for me, I would have scratched these tiles off and just paint the entire wall. Probably even put an accent wall there and expand it. And then of course, this countertop, it is relatively new, as you can see, based on the tiling that is on there. So all I would do personally is probably change the white cupboards and probably put a gray or one of those nice blue look to it. And I'm telling you, it would be, trust me, it will look smashing. So think about it. Majority of the $1 or $2 million that you're gonna be spending here is gonna be in this kitchen. Because if you really look at the rest of the house, you don't really need it. The rest of the house really just need a paint job to uplift it and that's it. But the kitchen, you want to put your own spin on it and make it home and comfy. How would you fix this kitchen if you were here? Let me know. So while you're thinking about what it is you're gonna do with the kitchen, let's go and take a look at the bedrooms. As you can see, be honest, isn't this a nice, spacious living room? Your AC is already in. Come on, be honest. You think about it and tell me what you would change when you envision yourself here. So, let's take a look at the first bedroom here. Just look with me as you can. Just take a look around, right? Because I want you to see what I'm talking about. Outside of changing the room in here, change the color in here, tweak down there. When you really look at it, outside of that, the bedroom is completely finished. Yeah, for like $200 or $300, you have a new bedroom. So you see what I'm talking about? Nothing much to get done in here to make it yours. All you need to do is put your personal touch. And again, it's a spacious room. It's big, windows on both sides, so it is cool, a lot of natural light coming in, breeze, ventilation, and of course, this room also comes with the AC unit. So, additional coolness is here for you. Come on, props right there. Can't get better than that. So yes, we're exiting bedroom number 1 and we're gonna enter bedroom number 2. So here we are entering bedroom number 2. Now, bedroom number 2 is really a replica of bedroom number 1, if you really look at it. Again, just changing all the colors in here, do a little tweak to your closet, and of course, this one actually you get a ceiling fan with this one. In addition to the ceiling fan, you also have your AC unit. So a lot of perks comes with it. So you have a ceiling fan, you have the AC unit, and all it requires of you to make this yours is just a little paint on the wall, a little paint on here, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. Can you imagine? For under $25 million. Yeah, come on. Yeah, so when you think about under 25 million compared to 40 million or more, can take you all the way up to $60 million. Come on, you don't think this is worth it? Under 25 million and you're living the dream life of someone who is buying their property for over $40 million and it's all yours for under $25 million. What a bargain. Come on. Come on, let's go and check out the bathroom. So let's go and check out the bathroom. So yeah, in this bathroom, as you can see, again, mind the lighting because it's a little dim in here. If you look at the tiling on this wall, it's very modern, it's nice. Personally, I wouldn't change the tub. The tub is actually really clean. There's not much that needs to get done in here, if I'm to be completely honest. The only thing I would do personally for the bathroom, I would update this. Yes, personally, I would update this. And by updating it, I don't mean down here, just means the sink and the countertop. I would just update that because I like down here. The extra cupboard, the drawers and everything is really, really nice. I like that. And of course, I'm gonna update the toilet. The toilet needs to be updated, in my opinion. Again, it is my opinion. You can let me know what you think, but personally, I love the shower area. I wouldn't do anything at all where the shower area is concerned because for me, it's nice. I would just change the faucet for the shower, put in some lovely modern faucet. And of course, as I said, I would change the top for the sink. And of course, I'll change the toilet in its entirety. All right? Again, what do you think? I know you agree with me for the most part. Again, under $25 million, centrally located, 2-bedroom, bathroom, living room. Come on, ton of outdoor space. You can't get better than this. So let's close up and go take a look at the outside because to be honest, I wanted to see. In addition to that, you know what this is great for? This is also great for rental. It is centrally located and as a result, it's perfect for a rental property. Perfect for an investment property for you. So yes, let's take a look at the outside. See? It's beautiful. Ooh, that road is actually Constant Spring, you know guys. That's Constant Spring right there. Yeah? Right there is Constant Spring. Lovely, lovely, lovely. As you can see, Central Avenue, Shortwood Road. The schools are close by. Queens is right there. When I tell you, Immaculate is right up there. Tons of school in the area. Very central. There's a supermarket across the street there. You have Active over there if you want to do some shopping when you're doing your little renovation for your apartment here. So you see, everything is central. You are in the heart of Kingston. Bye. Oh my God, I almost forgot you need to call me today to schedule your viewing. Woo!